we move on to our example number 9. We're gonna use the SSS similarity theorem. So we have these three triangles, dog, cat, and HRS. So our goal here is to find out if these three triangles are similar. Okay, by this particular theorem. Why? You you cannot see any angles here. So all sides are given. So let us check the ratio of the corresponding sides in first the triangle HRS and okay and the triangle DOG. Okay? So yung shortest sides nila, which is yung DO, okay, over HR is equal to yung DO natin dito, yung DO, that is going to be 8. And then yung HR natin, that is going to be 12. Okay? Finding the lowest term would be 2/3. Okay? So now, so this one is short sides. No? Let's find out the the longest side naman. The longest side would be GO, okay, and then RS. So let me represent it. So we have OG, so pwede OG over RS. And that is equal to 16. OG is 16, RS is 24. When we get the lowest term, we have 2/3. Okay? So, another thing, or the remaining sides would be, so let me change the color. The remaining sides would be HS and then GD. Okay? So, we have DG over HS. DG is 12, right? And then HS would be 18. When we get the lowest term, that is 2/3. So what we can see here, these two triangles are similar, no? So we can finally conclude that these two triangles are similar. Okay? Now let us try the ratio of the sides naman ng triangle HSR, and then triangle CAT. Nag-conclude na agad kahit wala pa, no? So, try naman natin to, no? What if I'm gonna use the shortest sides, CA, over RH? Okay? Yung RH natin dito ay color green, no? So, yung CA natin, ito yung shortest side natin. So, we have CA, no? CA is going to be 12 over RH, that is 12. Okay? So, when you divide the same thing, the result would be 1. Now, let's proceed to the longest side. So, longest side natin dito is, I think, we have the yellow one. So, 80. And then, 20. This one is, yung longest side natin is 80 and RS. Yan. So, let's try. Let's try to find out if they are the same ratio. So, 80 over RS is equal to 80 is 28, RS is 24. And 24. And we get the lowest term, the answer would be 7 over 6. Okay? Sige, nakita natin na parang magkakaiba na sila, no? Pero, sige, try natin yung pinakahuli, yung CT over HS. CT here is 20. HS, this one is 20. HS is 80. Then we get the lowest term, we have 10. 10 over 9. Okay? So, as you can see, since the ratios are not equal, then the triangle HRS and the triangle CAT are not similar. So, are not similar. Okay? So, ano bang sinasabi dito? No? na itong statement na to ay hindi totoo. Okay? So, anyways, the triangle HRS and triangle DOG are similar. This one is not. Okay? So, let's proceed to this particular example. No, I want you to try the following example. I think wala siyang following example, no. You can try your skills ulit, no, by this particular given.